All right, we're now at the top of the property, and I mean this is a pretty good hill right here. I mean it's kind of hard to tell on, especially on the GoPro with the wide angle. But we got ITP, Blackwater, and they are 27.914s. But we got a little bit of ground clearance, not much. As you can see, the A-arms are like tiny, so it doesn't give you much flex or anything, and ground clearance isn't that great. We're definitely putting the skid plate to use. We're fixing to head down this hill. It says it's a number 3, which we're supposed to be going by the Jeep because we're in a side-by-side, but you got dirt bikes and four-wheeler. So yeah, you can go on down and it'll loop around, but we're gonna head down this way and see how it goes. Yeah, everything looks okay. Those aren't bead locks. I wish they were, but they're not. It'd be nice if they were. I wouldn't have to worry about my tire popping off. But everything's good. I don't know which is worse, going down or up. Probably up. All right, guys, we got a Polaris RZR. It's the 570. It's the trail edition. We have 1.5" spacers on it with some ITP Blackwaters. They're what are they? 27x9x14s. I got Pro Armor 4-point harnesses, Super ATV windshield, half windshield, I don't remember, some eBay roof. I think that's about all we've got done to it. I haven't put haven't done any upgrades to the clutch, and it turns the tires fine for 27s. Kind of wish I would have went a little bigger. We will once I get my arched A-arms. It'll give us a little bit of clearance, because as you can see, I barely rub a little bit right here. All right guys, the GoPro died, so we're going to finish off the video on my phone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Yeah, hit that notification bell if you want to stay up to date, because we're about to pump out some videos of this little dude and what it can do. If you're curious of what a 570 is capable of, we're about to push it and see. But yeah, see y'all next time.